How much will a piece of property be worth in the next 5 years? How much will it be worth in the next 10 years? How much will it be worth in the next 20 years? That is one of the most frequent questions I get from would-be investors, and in this video I will be tackling that question. And in case you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Chris Asika. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new videos, and also do well to give this video a thumbs up. In Nigeria, experts have come to tell us that properties appreciate at an average rate of 30% annually. But then that does not mean that there are no places in Nigeria where we experience 5% rate of appreciation or 10% rate of appreciation. Also, there are places in Nigeria where you experience up to 50% or 100% rate of appreciation. So it is never fixed. But then the truth remains that many real estate companies and some realtors, when they want to sell properties to some would-be investor, they try to make some projection, they try to make some prediction that by so time this property will be worth so amounts. But the truth of the matter is that the value of a property in the future can never be accurately predicted. That is just the truth. Whatever information you are getting from a real estate company or a real estate consultant is nothing but mere projection. The accurate figure of how much a property will be worth in the next 5 years, in the next 20 years, in the next 10 years can never be accurately predicted. Now come to think of it, if they know how much a property will be worth in the next 5 years or in the next 10 years, do you think that they will sell that property to you? Of course, they are going to look for every means to get money and buy that property, because they know for sure that in 5 years time, in 10 years time, or in 20 years time, this property will be selling for so amount. So whatever information you are getting from a real estate consultant or a real estate company as regards how much a property will be worth in the future, they are nothing but mere projection. Even if it happens to be accurate, they are just predictions and you cannot rely on such data. But then there are factors that can help you project what a property will be worth in the future, just the same way realtors and some real estate companies are also projecting. There are factors that can help you project it a decent way, and I will be listing some of those factors in this video. The first factor that can help you project what a property will be worth in the future is what is the value of that property as at that time. Knowing the value of a property as at the time will help you project what it could be, what the price could be in the future. The second factor that can help you project what the price of a property could be in the future is the developments that are coming into a location. The development that are coming into a location can help you predict what the price of the property could be in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, or in the next 20 years. For instance, knowing the development that are coming into a bed was one factor that enabled a lot of real estate companies to project accurately that in so time a bed will be a hot state, which is happening today. So knowing the development that is coming into a particular location is one other factor that can help you determine what the price of properties would be in that location. But then this is not always reliable, because if it is projected that in 10 years time this development will be coming to this location and that development didn't come, that means that projection will not work. So it is not always reliable. You can project based on a development that is coming to a location, but if that development did not come, that means that your projection have failed. The third factor is to check the historical price of properties in that location and to know how much properties have been appreciating in the previous years. That will give you an edge in forecasting what the price of property could be in the future. For instance, if in the previous years the price of properties in a particular location have been appreciating with 30% annually, then you can forecast that since the price of properties have been appreciating with 30% annually in the previous years, then in the coming years the price of property is most likely to appreciate by that same rate or it might appreciate at a higher rate. With these three factors, you can be able to make a projection on what the price of property could be in a specific location. If you have gotten value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification to be notified when we post new videos, and also do well to give this video a thumbs up and expect loads of value loaded content from this channel. Till I come your way next time, my name is Chris Asika.